Good evening and welcome to grade 7 class. So we are studying today, the topic is area. By studying this lesson, you will be able to know following things. One thing is identify the units used to measure areas, find the areas of squares and rectangles using formula, and find the areas of composite plane figures and solve problems related to area. Now we have studied perimeter, right? So perimeter and area, what is the difference? The distance around will be the perimeter. Area means all the things inside will be included. Area means. And also area is calculated. When area is calculated, what's the unit, and perimeter is calculated, what's the unit? If I'm using centimeter to calculate perimeter, how it will come? And area means centimeter means how the area will be calculated in centimeter. These two differences also you should know.
Perimeter is calculated by centimeter only. Area is calculated by centimeter squared.
Right. It's like walking distance, you can tell. Perimeter means walking distance or the distance covered when you are walking. Area is not like that. Area is entirely different. Area is something like painting. Painting means you will have to paint all the wall, right? Full wall you have to paint. You cannot leave one place. Now walking means you will not walk all the places on the wall, right? Just you will walk
Yes.
one place to one place. So painting, and you just think of painting and then walking. So that may be the difference between perimeter and area. Now when we are calculating the area, we take a square like this, square lamina we call, a piece of piece. Area of this is 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Area becomes 1 centimeter squared. So I was telling about this one, the unit here, area is 1 centimeter squared. If I ask you the perimeter of this, 4, yes, 4 will be the answer. I'll just little bit make this a bit bigger and draw just to make understand, right? It's like this. So this is 1 centimeter, and this length is 1 centimeter, and this length is 1 centimeter. This length is 1 centimeter. That's the meaning of square. Square means all sides are equal, and 1 centimeter in length everywhere. So if you are trying to find out the perimeter, we will start from here. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. Perimeter for this will be 4 centimeter. The area for this is 1 centimeter squared. You can see squared, right? We will do some questions and check how to find the areas. Now there is this shape is given. Considering the area of small squares to be 1 centimeter squared, find the area of each figures given below. Right now we were just discussing about this. So this is 1 centimeter squared. 1 is 1 centimeter squared. So like that, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 is 1 centimeter squared. So 10 means 10 centimeter squared. 10 is 10 centimeter squared. That's all. The area of this shape is 10 centimeter squared. If I ask you the perimeter of this shape, what will be the perimeter of this?
Sir, the perimeter is 15 centimeters.
15 centimeter, we'll check. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, perimeter is going to be 16 centimeter. Right. Now we will just check next question. Can you find the area of this one?
7 centimeters squared.
7, will all agree on this, or anyone is having a dispute on that?
Sir, I agree on this.
Yes, agreeing on that. What about anyone else is not agreeing with this? Yes, how we agree with that is this one. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, 1, 1, 1. All 1 is no problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this is not 1 and this is also not 1. This is half, right? Half we can see. If this big one is 1, this is half exactly, right? So half plus half is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 will be the
Sir, shall I tell the perimeter?
perimeter is
10 centimeters.
For 10 centimeters.
It's not 10 centimeter. It's not 10 centimeter. There is something called you have not studied, but I just tell, since you have told me the answer, I just don't want to keep it hidden. So it's like this, right? It's like this. These are equal sides, right? If this is 1 and this is 1, this is not 1, right? That is not 1. If I'm asking, the correct answer will be square root of 2. Square root of 2. So that's a different thing. You don't want to just confuse grade 7s with this square root and things like this. That's why I did not ask perimeter. So only I asked area is 7 centimeters squared, right? So for your knowledge, I just told what this distance is. This is not same as the others, right? Okay. Next question we'll check. This one.
So it is 12 centimeters squared.
We will check if it is 12 or something else. Right, 12 people, a lot of people answering 12. Let me check also. Let's check. Okay, we'll take the full ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Then half.
So I agree with Muhammad's answer. I agree.
Yeah. 9. 9 and a half, 10. Right? Half 10. Half 11. Half 12. So 12 centimeters square is the answer, right? Someone gave me an answer 9. I hope you understood.
So then the perimeter is 9 centimeters for the perimeter.
Perimeter I did not ask. Perimeter I did not ask because you cannot find the perimeter for this here. Because normally others can find, not grade 7.
Sir, right. So that half can be considered as 2 centimeters?
This length. You want to consider this length as 2 centimeter?
Yes, sir.
No, it is not 2 centimeter. It is exactly 1.41. 1.414. So we don't talk about that now. Next question we have is. Yes.
In some questions it's round. Like round.
Round is there. Then you have to study a formula for that. Then only you will be able to answer that question. Okay. Circles you have to find. Now we are trying only the rectangles and triangles. Sorry, not rectangle. Rectangles and squares, not triangles. Rectangles and squares only we are studying here. In this shape, what is the area of the figure shown here, which is made out of equal sized squares and equal sized rectangles? Can we find out the area?
10 centimeters square.
10 centimeters square someone is giving.
Sir, not 10 meters.
Sir, 7.
7 someone is saying.
Centimeters squared.
Okay, let me check. 1. This is 1.
Sir, it is 7 meters
2,
square.
3, 4. 4 we got, right? 4 we got.
7.
And these 2, this is half. This is also half. So these together 5, 6. And this is half together will become 7. So it's going to be 7 meters squared, right? Now formula for the area of square and area of a rectangle. We have seen that this kind of shape means, what's the area of this? Can you tell me what's the area of this? Seeing this one, can someone say the area?
12 centimeters square.
Yeah, 12 centimeters square. That means we can see 1, 2, 3 like that, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11. 12 will be there altogether. So 12 centimeters squared is the area of this. For this, there is a formula. For a rectangle, we call area of the figure is length into breadth. Length is the longer part. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Breadth is 3 centimeters. So area is always length into breadth and centimeter squared. Why centimeter squared we are getting? Can someone say why centimeter squared we are getting? Can someone say why we are getting centimeter squared here in answer? Anyway, the reason is this one. Now we said, now this one, 4 centimeter, right? 4 centimeter into, so length into breadth is 4 into 3. Now you can see centimeter is there. In both, centimeter is there. That also multiplied, correct? That also multiplied, right? It's like, have you studied something like this? We have studied, if we have not, 4 into 4. What is the answer? 16, right? 3 into 3? 9, right? 9. Why did I tell these things? Is I can tell this story or same one as 4 into 4, I can tell 4 squared also. This 3 into 3, I can tell 3 squared also. 3 squared means 9, 4 squared means 16, 5 squared means how much? 25. What this number we called? We call this number, a particular name is there. I'm asking about this particular numbers. These numbers, week 16, 9, 20. Right. We have these we call square numbers, right? This is in grade 6 also. Square numbers. We call these as square numbers. Now, the topic is not square numbers. It's a different one. But I just took these square numbers to say that 4 into 4 becomes 4 squared. 3 into 3 becomes 3 squared. 5 into 5 becomes 5 squared. Like that, I can say that x into x is becoming x squared. Same thing like that. Centimeter into centimeter will become centimeter squared. That's why we are getting area in centimeter squared, right? You understood? So 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter means 12 centimeter squared we get. That's the reason we are getting the area in unit as squared. It's very important. If you have different units here centimeter is there, here centimeter is there, here centimeter and here meter mean you cannot multiply. That means you have to change one guy into another one. Both units have to be same. Understand? Any question? You understood what's the formula is? Length into breadth and centimeter squared or meter squared or whatever the unit we are giving, it will come in squared. Answer will be in squared. You understood what's the meaning of squared also. The area of a rectangle we can give if it is length is L units and breadth is B units. We call our area of rectangle is L into B. LB we can give, right? LB, that's what we said. Length into breadth, LB. Same like that, area of a square. If area of a square will be A squared. A squared, if A and A. If this is A, the other one also will be A. If this is 5, this is also 5. If this is 6, the other one also 6. If this is 100, the other one also 100. So, an area of a square will be one side square. That means A into A means A squared. B into B means B squared. Or otherwise we can say take one side and just give the square of that. That's all. Square means, okay, if it is square. So square means square or rectangle, both same, almost same, only multiplying both sides. But in square, both sides are equal. That you have to remember, right? Next part of that, okay, find the area of each of the rectangular laminas given below, right? This one. So can we find the answers for this? 40 centimeters square is the correct answer. Area of rectangle means we told area is calculated by length multiplied by breadth. Length into breadth is the area. What is length here? 10. What is breadth here? 4. Centimeter I'm just leaving, okay? Centimeter. Okay, put that centimeter also. Okay, so 10 into 4 is 40 centimeter squared will be the answer. So I'll go to the next question.
100 centimeters squared.
Few answers I got, but answers are wrong. 100 centimeter squared. I'm saying wrong. Why?
So it is 10,000 centimeters square.
Right.
So
Yeah.
because it is 2 meters.
Yes, 2 meters. Mr. Meter is there. Yes, centimeter. I told earlier also. Units. You have to be very careful with that unit. Unit guy is a very nasty guy. He comes and disturbs you always. Okay, not only here. Everywhere he'll come and disturb you when it comes to area. When it comes to area and so many things you will calculate. Calculations, you be careful with the units. So say 50 centimeter and 2 meter. First work we have to do is 2 meter means how many centimeter you check. 1 meter means how many meters? How many centimeters? 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 2 meter means 200 centimeter. First thing you have to write down that. So convert the units. So answer will be length into breadth. Length is 2 meter into 50 centimeter. We told that 2 meter is 200 centimeter. So 50 centimeter. So multiply this and get this answer. I'll be getting 2 into 5 is 10, right? And 3 zeros are there.
10,000 centimeters squared. 10,000 centimeters squared.
Yes, 10,000 centimeters squared. We'll go to the next question. Right, this one. Can we find the area of this? 100 centimeters squared is wrong.
So 100 meters square.
100 meters squared will be the correct answer. Right, you multiply and check because meter squared will be there. 12.5 into 8. How you might find out? Right, 12.5 into 8 multiplying decimals, right? 8 into 5 is 40, 4 is remaining, 8 into 2 is 16 plus 4 is 20, 2 is remaining, 8 into 1 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 decimal place is there, so 1 decimal place from you count and keep that. This is 100. It's given the flow of grade 7 classroom takes the shape of a square of side length 12 meter. Find the area of the floor of the grade 7 classroom. What's the answer? 48. Someone says. Someone is saying 144. Any other answers are there? We got 3 different answers.
48 meters. 48 meters.
We got 144. We got 48. We got 24. Now classroom means how it is. This is the classroom shape, right? What's the shape they said? What's the shape they said? See the words carefully. Take a shape of a square. Shape of a square of side length 12 meter. One side is 12 meter. One side is 12 meter. Other side will be what?
12 meters.
12 meters. Why? Because it's a square, right? So how do you find the area of a
12
square?
into 12.
12 into 12. 12 into 12 or 12 squared, right? A squared we said. If this is A squared we said. Or 12 squared we can say. 12 squared means 12 into 12 or 12 squared. 12 squared means you should be able to know, you should know the table. Table says 12 into 12, it is 144. Next part of the question says, storeroom which has the same area as the above classroom has a rectangular floor Storeroom, which has the same area as the above classroom, has a rectangular floor. If the breadth of the floor of the store is 6 meters, find the length of the floor of the store. Storeroom, which has the same area as the above classroom, has a rectangular floor. Our classroom is like this, okay, 12 into 12. But this guy, our storeroom is not like that. It's like this, a rectangular shape. 24. Some people gave me an answer 24. Right. Now we will just check how we can get the answer for this. Right. This. We know that this area is going to be 144, right? 144, 12 into 12, 144 meters squared, right? Now they are saying they have a store. The width is 6 meter. Width is 6 meter. Question is, what is the length here? But they have given additional information as area is given. Area is already known, 144. How we know that 144 area is? How we know that area is 144? How we know the area of this store is 144?
Because we found it in the first question.
Yes, they said storeroom is which has the same area as the above classroom. Classroom area and the storeroom area is same. It's not different. They said, they gave. And they said the breadth on one side, breadth is 6 meter, means you find the length of the storeroom. So how would you find the area of a rectangle? Can someone say the equation or formula for rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Yeah, area A equals to length into LB, length into breadth. Length we don't know. We can take X also for that, or we can keep as L also. Right, L also. So I'll just keep as L here, right? L here. B we know 6. Area we know. How much is the area? 144. That we know. So it's going to be L into 6. 6L equals to 144. That means L is how much you have to find. 144 divided by 6. 144 you divide by 6 and check. 6, 2, 12, 2, 24. 24 means 4. So L is going to be 24. This is going to be 24. Any question? So from this we will stop the class and we will meet on the next class. Till then, I will give you some questions to you to do, and do them and submit them fast. Okay, thanks and good night.